A tragic milestone reached Friday, the number of confirmed COVID-19 deaths worldwide surpassing 100,000. But the World Health Organization welcoming signs of hope, a slowing of new cases in some European hotspots like Italy and Spain. Still, the WHO sharing a word of caution as some countries are already planning the transition out of stay-at-home restrictions.
Lifting restrictions too quickly could lead to a deadly resurgence. The way down can be as dangerous as the way up if not managed properly.
Another concern, the WHO reports an alarming acceleration in other parts of the world, including community transmission in 16 African countries. In the U.S., this was being billed as peak death week, some officials calling it America's new 9/11 or Pearl Harbor moment. Updated forecasting out of the University of Washington projecting the apex will be on Easter Sunday, with more than 2,000 deaths in a single day in the U.S. On Friday, Dr. Anthony Fauci with the White House Coronavirus Task Force warning not to let off from measures like physical distancing.
It's important to remember that this is not the time to feel that since we have made such important advance in the sense of success of the mitigation, that we need to be pulling back at all.
On Thursday, Fauci said that as Americans have been embracing restrictions aimed at stemming the spread of COVID-19, there's been a sharp drop in projections of deaths from the virus in the U.S. to roughly 60,000, much lower than what White House officials had previously forecasted of between 100,000 to 240,000 deaths.
The minimum number was 100,000 lives, and I think we'll be substantially under that number. Hard to believe that if you had 60,000, you can never be happy, but that's a lot fewer than we were originally told and thinking.
Last month, Trump had said he wanted to reopen the U.S. by Easter. He later extended restriction guidelines until the end of April. But even still, experts, including the WHO, warn that reopening the country too soon could cause a spike in new infections. For City News, I'm Melissa Duggan.